Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. In this video I'll be share with you how you can make a YouTube intro. So let's go to the browser first. Right here Canva and search it to Google. You can see here the first link, free design tool. Click on this. After that click on create a design. Now right here video, and you can see here many video options which is with sizes. Choose your right pixel, so I'm choosing this one. So this is the editing portion, and this is the templates or elements you can choose. So you have to choose from here and you have to edit here. Okay, so let's start editing. So we can change our background color. Here's the background color. Let's make it gray. So here's the element. You can choose many elements. Let's choose this one, the first one. Adjust it. I'm just showing you for the basic tutorial, so make it yourself, your creative wise. So this is the thing. So here's the text option. You can choose a text from here, any text you can choose, or you can add a heading. By clicking on this you can customize your heading by yourself. Just double click on this and right here anything you want, like I'm writing nature beauty, and you can edit this text, like double click and you change the color, text color. Let's make it green. Text color has changed. So let's animate this. Click on animate. You can see here many animate intros. This one, fun, nature beauty, chill. So we are choosing this one, chill. This is a good thing. So if you want to add something here, you can add by clicking here. There's add some text, like let's choose one, just thank you. You just click on this and it will be like here. So decrease it by your own choice and fit it into the display. Okay, so if you want to add a music, so let's go to the upload option. You can see here upload files, videos, audios. You can click audio and upload your file here. I have already uploaded a music, so I'm clicking this one. After clicking this one, you can see here a music. Just let's play it. The music is 16 seconds, so you can decrease it by like this, 15 seconds. Let's make it 10 seconds. 9, 10. Okay, so after finishing your editing, you can share your edit by clicking here. Right here your desired email address. Now if click on edit and choose can edit, and if you click on send, this intro will be sent to that email. So guys, basically this is how you can make a YouTube intro in Canva. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.